Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to make Instagram account private or public. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now from the bottom navigation bar, click on the profile picture. Tap on three horizontal lines from the top right corner of your screen. From the pop-up menu, click on the settings. Tap on privacy. Here at the top of your screen, you will see the private account option. Now use the toggle button to make your account private or public. If the toggle button is blue color, your account is private. If it is white color, then your account is public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to make your Instagram account private or public. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.